In this video, we're going to take a look at how to download and install WhatsApp on your Android device. So the first thing that we need to do is go to the Play Store. So I'm going to click on the Play Store now. Then the next thing we want to do at the top of your screen is do a search for WhatsApp. So I'm just going to type in WhatsApp now. And as you can see, it says WhatsApp Messenger with the icon at the top. So I'm going to click on that one. And then all we need to do next is click on the install button. And we're just going to wait for this to download. So WhatsApp currently is around 19.91 megabytes. So if you have just over 20 megabytes, you'll be perfectly fine to download this application. All we're going to do now is click on open, and that's the process finished on how to download and install WhatsApp on your Android device.